Arya sits down at her desk with a single, straightforward goal: improve the design of a basic registration form. She opens her AI assistant, types the prompt, and receives a perfectly useful, instant answer. That one useful answer immediately sparks another thought. She asks for a slightly better layout. Then she asks to compare two different coding frameworks. Then she requests the code for a brand new feature she hadn't even planned to build. 3 hours pass. Arya feels busy and highly active. Her screen is filled with elegant ideas and complex code blocks. Yet her original, simple registration form remains entirely unfinished. The interface is doing exactly what it was built to do: generate answers. But that immediate utility creates a paradox. The endless stream of relevant information makes it easy to mistake the act of exploring for the act of actually moving forward. Historically, learning a difficult concept or troubleshooting an error required reading dense documentation, running a search, or waiting to ask a colleague. Every task had built-in distance. Those delays served a strict cognitive function. They forced the brain to pause. You had to stop reading, evaluate the information you found, and mentally piece it together to form a conclusion. AI compresses the space between a question and an actionable step into seconds. The natural pauses that forced us to synthesize information are gone. Without this friction, a straightforward task splinters into dozens of directions, and goal-oriented action quietly morphs into aimless wandering. The mechanism driving this is simple. Instant feedback feels rewarding. Every single time you submit a question, you get something valuable in return, which naturally encourages repeated and continuous interaction. But unlike traditional media, this interaction lacks boundaries. A book eventually ends. A lecture finishes. A conversation reaches a natural conclusion. An AI interface has no final page. Without a natural endpoint, users experience cognitive drifting. You generate 5 different tones for an email or 10 different color palettes for a prototype, using the generation of new options to subconsciously avoid the final, harder work of making a definitive choice. When exploration becomes completely frictionless, the sheer act of generating options masquerades as actual work. You can spend an entire afternoon paralyzed by choices, all while feeling perfectly productive. In 2025, a study by Microsoft Research and Carnegie Mellon University examined this exact phenomenon. They analyzed nearly 1,000 real-world generative AI tasks from over 300 knowledge workers to measure its impact on human thinking. When people placed high confidence in AI's abilities, their reported critical thinking effort dropped noticeably. But the trend reversed entirely for users who maintained high confidence in their own skills. They engaged in significantly more active verification, refinement, and direct challenging of the AI's outputs. The data clearly defines the tool's role. It is an exceptional engine for generating raw input. But that input only translates into progress if the human on the other side of the screen remains mentally present to provide the judgment. To navigate a completely frictionless environment without drifting, we have to change our behavior. We must manually introduce artificial friction into our workflows by setting deliberate stopping rules. Rule 1. Define your purpose. Before you even open the interface, state exactly what you are trying to achieve. Do not default to the open-ended, let's just see what happens approach. Rule 2. End with an output. Measure the success of an AI session exclusively by a tangible result, a definitive decision made, or a final draft saved, rather than the amount of time spent exploring. Rule 3. Pause before reprompting. If you are endlessly feeding the same question into the chat, you lack clarity. Close the laptop entirely and think independently until your own perspective returns. Rule 4. Force a decision. After the interface provides a major response, deliberately ask yourself, what specific decision will I take right now? If you have no answer, you must cut off the generation of new options. Rule 5. Separate your modes. Divergent exploration is incredibly valuable, but you must schedule it in its own distinct block of time, so it cannot quietly consume the hours meant for convergent execution. These rules do not restrict your creativity. They are the essential boundaries required to take an infinite number of artificial possibilities and distill them down into finite, completed human work. Modern tools provide more immediate pathways and possibilities than have ever been available before. Anyone with a browser can now summon a draft, a design, or a solution in seconds. But creation remains a human endeavor. Meaningful progress requires a chosen direction. It relies entirely on human judgment and the hard, quiet discipline of knowing exactly when enough is enough. Use AI to expand your thinking. Use your own mind to choose. And learn the quiet discipline of knowing when enough is enough.